Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a website for your hauling service business. The first thing you will need to do is go onto Wix.com. And Wix.com is the website builder that I recommend. The reason why I recommend Wix is because it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can get started for completely free. All you'll need is your email address, and from there you can sign up. Once you have signed up and you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create New Site. After selecting Create New Site, you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Once you have selected that, you'll be redirected to this page and you are going to tap on Set Up Without AI, as I want you to be able to compose your website and customize it to your personal liking. From here, you'll type in on the search bar, you can type in All-in Service, so you can see it right there, then tap on Next. After you have done that, you can see preparing your dashboard, so you're going to give it a few seconds. Once on your dashboard, you will be able to add your business name. You will also be able to set up the different services that you offer, your business opening and closing hours. I will also be showing you how to accept payments online and so much more. So first, you'll enter your business name right here. So let's say, for example, Test Haulage. Then you can add your business address, then tap on Next. After doing that, you can add your business opening hours. So we'll open 5 days per week and you can select the opening hours. So let's say, for example, from 7 a.m. and then we'll change this to, let's say, for example, to 4 p.m. So our shop is open from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Then tap on Next. You can see some typical services right here. So you can scroll down and you can select any one of these services that is to your liking. If you don't see a service that you offer, you can tap on Create New Service. I don't see any hauling service right here, so I will leave it as is. Then I'm going to tap on Next. You can add your staff member's name and email address. Then tap on Next once more, and we'll be accepting payments online and also in person. Then tap on Next once more, tap on Continue to Dashboard. Once on the dashboard, I'll now show you how to set up the different services that we want to add, as those sample services were not related to hauling services. So you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Booking and Services. From here, I want you to go over to the top right-hand corner and you're going to select, you can see them right here. You can tap on Start from Scratch. After selecting Start from Scratch, you can enter the type of service that you will be offering. So you can add the service name right here. So you can add the service name. So let's say, for example, Test Haulage. Then you can also add a cover image by tapping on Add Image. After doing that, let's say, for example, trucks. But if you wanted to upload your own image, you could tap on Upload Media. After doing that, you can select an image. So let's say, for example, that one. Tap on Add to Page. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to add a description for the service that you're offering. You can also edit the duration. And you can also set a price by tapping right here. After doing that, we'll tap on Save in the top right-hand corner. And you can repeat this depending on the amount of services that you're offering. So you can just keep on repeating this and creating different services. To close this pop-up, you'll tap on the X in the top left-hand corner. And by the way, below Booking Services on the left-hand menu option, you can see Booking Calendar. And this is where you'll be able to view the different bookings that you have and the time and date. After you have done that, I want you to scroll down and select Billing and Payments and tap on Payments. And from here, you're going to tap on Manage Payment Methods. And these are the different payment methods that you will offer your customers. So depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options right here. I can connect TiloPay and connect PayPal. But if I were to change this location, so if I were to tap on change right here, and let's say for example I were to type in United States, and you can see that I'm now provided with different payment options that I can connect, as you can see right here. And to connect even more payment options, you can tap on see more payment options in the bottom left hand corner. Once you are finished doing that, you are going to go back over to the left hand menu option, tap on settings at the top left hand corner, and you are going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. Once on this page, I want you to tap on pick a template, and you will be provided with numerous themes that you can quickly edit. So let's say for example we would like to use this theme. You can tap on edit right here. After selecting edit, you will be redirected to the Wix editor. Once on this page, you could tap on the box right here and you could upload some basic information and use the Wix AI to compose articles for your website. But for this tutorial, we'll simply tap on the X right there. And at the moment, this is how our all-in service website looks. To tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner. Then from here, you can start editing your website. To edit it, you can simply hover over any section that you would like to change. Tap on quick edit in the top left hand corner. From there, you can scroll down. You can change the text if you want. So you can simply tap right where you see paragraph on my screen. You could change the text. You can also change the background color and so on. If you would like to change this section, whether it be the background image, you can simply tap on the section, tap on change, and you'll be able to change the image. You can change the text, the phone number, all of that information. It is quite easy to edit. Now, to continue editing, let's say you would like to add something to your website that you don't see at the moment. You could go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus that says add elements. From here, you'll be able to add text, images, buttons, whatever you would like to add to your website, you can find it in the add elements section. And to view all the pages that are on your website, you will need to tap on home in the top left hand corner. So let's tap on home real quick. After you have selected home, you will be able to switch pages. So let's say for example you would like to go onto the about page. You could tap on about, or if you would like to view the service page, we could also do that. So this is how the about us page looks. To edit a section, again, you can simply tap on the section that you would like to edit. Then from there you could select edit text and you can start editing it. And if we would like to visit another page, we can tap right there, go onto the services page, and you can see the different services that we offer right here. By scrolling down, you can see the different services right here. And again, you can edit and change these services quite easily. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, you will simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you will select publish and your website will now be live. Keep in mind, to accept payments online using Wix, you will need to upgrade onto their paid plan. But their paid plan is quite affordable as it starts off at only $17 per month. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If there's any questions that you would like to ask, you can leave them in the comment section.